The security consultant sat down and spent about an hour on this drawing asking a lot of detailed questions to our technical resources that were involved in the data center. Long story short, we have adequate power and cooling and security measures in place in this facility in order to be able to support customers really small up to really large and enterprise type customers. When we sat down to design the data center for BCI, we wanted to do something really unique. We wanted to show off our strengths. So if you look up across the top, you can see we've done all of our structured data cabling above rack. There are no raised floors. This is a epoxy floor, and as you can see, dirt will actually, if you look closely, you can see dirt actually moves across it. So we want a completely clean, totally clean environment within our data center. We also did what's called cold aisle containment as well. So what that means is you can see a trunking system that comes down the middle of the data center. We pump cold air into the middle of the pod, and the equipment sucks it out of the pod onto the aisles. So you'll notice our ambient temperature is about 75 degrees here. It's about 65 degrees inside the pod. You can see when you walk into the data center to the cold aisle containment, it gets a little breezy. And the temperature here is significantly lower than what it is on the outside. This equipment that we have that supports 300 customers can support up to 1,000 customers. So the data center of the future is all about efficiency and capitalizing on virtualization. It's not about physical devices, it's about virtual devices. So we have enough horsepower today to support up to about 1,000 customers before we have to add and expand to our footprint. In this room alone, just phase one of the data center, we have 80 tons of cooling. More than enough power, more than enough cooling to power any customer requirements and needs. Utilizing our structured data cabling that was done in-house at BCI, we can cross-connect any customer from the outside world to the inside world without having to do it in the data center. So it's all about security with us. We did that outside the data center. The less traffic we have in our data center, the more secure our customer data is and our data is.